Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the speed test comparison between the HP v152w and the dual drive Luxe guys by SanDisk. And I've been using the dual drive Luxe for about a year and it's a fantastic pen drive. I have no complaint except slightly it is getting heated sometimes when you are using data transfer for a very long time guys. And I've been using this particular pen drives with my Windows system, and I'll be using the Crystal Disk Mark for doing the speed test between both of this. And the best way to do it is using the Thunderbolt connector guys, or the type C, and this is going to have the maximum bandwidth guys. I know this is a USB 3 and the HP is the USB 2, but I still feel if we can compare both with a type C connector, the comparison would be fair. Let me know in the comments below which other pen drives you all want to see. Also check out the link in the description guys if you are interested in watching the video. Also do check out the cards button over here, and after connecting it over here, the first pen drive which I have it will be using the dual drive, and the second will be the HP guys. And let me just start the speed test comparison. And again guys, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. Also do check out our social media handle at the rate Creative Soft, because it is where we post majority of our stuff guys, like the latest video etc, and something like reels and all. So do check it out. And let me just fast forward this particular test, because in this case guys, one is USB 2, that is the HP pen drive which is in blue, and the SanDisk one which is in metallic is the USB 3.1. But since I'm using the Thunderbolt, I think we are going to get the maximum throughput, so the throughput won't be any issues guys. So let me again do a test to check out, and as you can see it is just showing me 91 Mbps for the SanDisk, and again it will take a very long time for getting the output of the HP pen drives guys. And again, my experience had been mixed guys with the HP pen drive, because some of the HP pen drives are giving very good outputs guys, whereas some of the HP pen drives, they are just not acceptable when it comes to data transfer and speeds etc. So are you a SanDisk fan, or are you a HP fan? Based on this guys, you all can choose. Also budget is a very big kind of decision making when it comes to buying pen drives like this. So if you are a diehard Android fan guys, and if you are thinking of copying some file maybe from your smartphone and to the computer and all, then definitely go with the dual drive Luxe. It will never disappoint you, because it is one of the fastest pen drives which are available in the market guys. So you all do can check that out too. And if you all are buying this particular pen drive only maybe just to take some printouts from one computer to other computer, or connecting it to your printer and all, then you all for the budget constraint guys, you all can just go with the HP. And for the price range which HP is available guys, I feel it is amazing. And the downside being the speed. As you can see, the read speed is almost complete for the SanDisk dual drive Luxe, that is the metallic pen drive which is there on the left hand side, and we cannot see any values which are there on for the blue pen drive, that is the HP pen drive. And one of the reasons guys I never recommend anybody to buy the USB 2 pen drive is because of the speed. But if you see the longevity guys, I definitely feel the HP have a plus point over here, because the faster the pen drive the less long lasting it is. But I don't think so that's the case with the SanDisk ones, because they have wonderful services. I'm not so sure about HP and how it is going to give you service in your town or area for that matter. And at least where I'm residing, SanDisk service has been awesome guys. So and if you see even the read write speed guys, I'll just read the first line, which is almost 91 Mbps for read, and write speed is around 25 Mbps, which is almost great guys. But since I'm running this like around 2-3 times, I will get mixed result, especially when you are running this kind of benchmark maybe like 2-3 times. It is just going to change a bit. And as you can see over here, the read speed is sort of very less, which is almost 19 Mbps for the HP pen drive. And since it is USB 2 and it is available for very cost effective price, I don't think so you can complain much. So for sale and all, guys, just keep an eye on this pen drive. Especially sometimes you are getting this for less than even 300, maybe around 280 rupees or something. Then in that case, definitely go for the HP pen drive. It can even act as a backup. You can just put it in your bag and forget about it. Also, guys, most of y'all had been asking me whether this kind of pen drive is good to play MP3 in the car. Yes, definitely y'all can use, but there are other pen drives from HP and SanDisk which are very tiny, guys. It is at the size of a coin and all, and y'all can use those pen drives, just to hide from your infotainment system in your car and all. And those kind of pen drives are excellent in terms of when it comes to hiding inside your car, especially for TV and all. Those pen drives work much more better because they of its tiny size. Also, you can use this as a backup pen drive, just in case if your main pen drive goes off, or if you are transferring some data like a presentation from your main computer maybe to your computer in the college or maybe in your office where you all have to give the presentation and all. Then definitely this kind of pen drive, which are very cheap, can help you out. So, you can even just give it to your colleague or your friends or your teacher and all. In this case, guys, it is very useful, I would say, compared to giving your main pen drive. And this test is very slow for the HP, guys, and y'all can see the read speed is almost 20 Mbps. Previously it was showing 19. I don't know why, there was some weird issue and all, but I would definitely see. Okay, let me just brief you all which pen drive you all should buy, because that is the main reason y'all are over here, and I wanted y'all to just check out the speed test before y'all even make a purchase decision of one of these pen drives. Okay, so the write speed of the HP is around 4.5 something, guys. So the clear winner is SanDisk Dual Drive Luxe, because it have the Type-C connectors and the speed is awesome, and it comes with a price, guys. And definitely if speed is not a matter, if budget is a constraint, and definitely go for the HP, guys, because it is very cheap and very much affordable. I don't think so for this particular price range you all are going to get better pen drives and with a better metallic build for this. So definitely if your highest priority is getting the speed, then the SanDisk Dual Drive Luxe is a better alternative. You can do settle out if just in case of backup and all. You can do settle out with the HP. It is not going to disappoint you all. So again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also, don't forget to check out these awesome videos which we have it on our channel.